Hey guys, today I will be unboxing these two Rent-A-Girlfriend prize figures from Banpresto, which I pre-ordered 3 months ago. But before that, check lang natin yung each side ng boxes. Sa top side ng box, makikita natin yung Japanese title, which is Kanojo Okarishimasu, and then yung Authenticity Kodansha sticker, which is same publisher ng Attack on Titans, Your Lion April, and a silent voice. If you're planning to display the boxes naman, best siya na nakaharap tong side na to. Then, check natin tong side na to, and then tong baba, and back side. So let's start with Chizuru Mizuhara, the main girl. By the way, nabili ko to from Red Monster Shop sa May Diliman for a price of 850 each. Actually, it's a pre-order, but currently the reselling price actually at around 1,500 na. This anime actually has a rating of 7.37 in both My Anime List and IMDb. If you're into romantic comedy type of anime, I suggest you watch this one. Medyo stuck tong side na to. Ito, try natin tong side na to. There you go. May additional box siya sa loob for additional protection. Wow, so meron siyang 4 parts including yung base. Oh, the quality is actually great. So let's open this plastic. This iconic dress she's wearing actually appears on episode 1. Her first date with Kazuya, who's the main male character. Let's remove all the parts first from the plastic. Medyo stuck lang yung hair ni Mizuhara Chizuru. Konting ingat lang is baka masira siya. There you go. Actually, nagulat ako na ganito kaganda yung quality nito. Well, considering the price point of 850 pesos. So let's start assembling this bad girl. Then yung bag. There. Ang kit-kit nito. I can see napakaganda talaga ng quality nito. So far parang wala naman ako nakikitang flaws. So lagay lang natin siya sa base. Next, let's unbox Mami Nanami, the ex-girlfriend. Well, again, hindi ko rin na-expect na ganito kaganda yung quality nito. Same nung kay Mizuru. Well, again, for a price point na $17 or 850 pesos, I can say na talagang sulit na sulit siya. By the way, these figures are actually made from PVC plastic, so please make sure you keep them away from your kids if you have one. Hair color looks great. Okay din yung dress. Comparing the two, actually, maganda sila pareho. Oops, medyo ingat lang kayo dun sa bag ni Mizuru Chizuhara. Medyo natatanggal siya unlike itong kay Mami. Bandai Spirit, made in China. What else? Serial code sa baba. Sturdy base. Last quality check. Okay naman. Actually, napaka-detailed nito. If you're a fan of the anime and at the same time a toy collector like me, well, I can really suggest buying this. Again, for the price point of 850 pesos or $17, you'll get a good quality price figure. By the way, I also pre-ordered the three remaining Banpresto figure, Ruka, Sumi, Ichinose, that might arrive in the next 2 weeks. And for sure, I will make another unboxing video for it. So watch out. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the bell icon to be notified on my next unboxing video. Johnny!